Exposing the secret to lightning-fast IT support in Houston. Say goodbye to endless downtime. Meet Impress IT Solutions, your go-to for super-fast IT support in Houston. Imagine this. Your server crashes at midnight. No sweat. Our team detects and fixes it before you even wake up. With 24/7 proactive monitoring, we catch issues before they become disasters. Our streamlined ticketing system lets you submit requests and track progress in real time. Plus, you get both on-site and remote support for flexible solutions. And the best part? Each client has a dedicated team that knows your systems inside and out. Like when a Houston manufacturing company had a network issue. We fixed it in under 30 minutes. So why choose Impress IT Solutions? Because we're local experts, offering comprehensive services with a customer-centric approach. Our clients love our fast, effective solutions. Ready to transform your IT experience? Call us at phone number or visit website. Impress IT Solutions, faster support, happier business.